Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make glowing text in CapCut. So here I'm going to just click on new project and then go to stock videos and choose the black screens right here. Click on add, and then after that just click on add text. Click on text and add text here and type in your text in here. For example, okay, you can also change your okay, I'm going to just use the classic ones right here, and then after that I'm going to make it big like so and then export it. And after that, click on new project again and import your video in here, the previous one that you export. And then after that, go to effects and video effects, and then go to basic and find the edge glow effect. Okay, where is it? Just wait, I'm going to find the effect. Okay, so I found the effects, this one right here, the edge glow. Click on that, and after that, just like that, there you go, your glowing text has just been created. Okay guys, so that's the easiest way to create a glowing text in CapCut. So that's it from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.